What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, February 23rd, 2019. I hope you are doing well. Everybody watching Bitcoin, all eyes on Bitcoin around $4,100 right now, breaking through 4,000. We're going to talk about what is going on right now. Before we do, check out this 15-second clip from a video I did a couple weeks ago. Reversal before even getting to 10% targets, right? So we didn't get to 10%. We have this potential reversal. The next target now is the higher end, the first touch at the upper trend line of the symmetrical triangle, right around $4,400. So that was me discussing this pink triangle you see on the screen, this symmetrical triangle, and really referencing the possibility of this being a busted or broken symmetrical triangle, right? So when I did that video, we were around $3,600, probably somewhere around here. And we were discussing the potential of a run up to this high point of the symmetrical triangle, right around $4,400. So that would be right around here. Now, since then, we obviously have come up. We've even tested the bottom trend line, the longer term bottom trend line. We've tested and broken that trend line as of today, which is a really big move in determining whether we're going to have a confirmed busted triangle. Where this daily candle closes, we will see. Where the next daily candle opens and closes is also very relevant. So it's something we're watching, but this broken symmetrical triangle is big. That's a bullish move for Bitcoin. As I mentioned in the video, we didn't quite get down to that 10% target through the downside, right? Through this bottom trend line. We reversed before hitting 10%, the first rule of a broken symmetrical triangle, and then we reversed. And from there, we were kind of tracking to see if we'd get a bullish move. So far we have, but this is our kind of mid-range target for a really bullish move, that $4,400, the confirmed broken symmetrical triangle, this pink symmetrical triangle we've been tracking for quite some time now. Moving on to the 4-hour chart, let's discuss what is happening kind of, in real time. This last 4-hour candle, you can see it. I love going on Twitter. Sometimes I'll find out that Bitcoin is moving before I even look at the charts, because I'll go on Twitter and see everybody rejoicing. For, just for quick reference, this candle is 4%, 4.5%. It's nothing crazy, everybody. I want to throw that out there. Could it continue? Could it become a little crazier? Yes. But right now we're at a very clear resistance area that we've been tracking for some time right now. And I want to talk about it. We have this smaller white ascending triangle that you see on the screen, right? We had a breakout target of around $4,100 for that symmetrical triangle. We didn't hit it. In fact, we broke through the bottom trend line of the triangle. You can see it. I'm going to zoom in on the chart here so you can see this better. We broke through the bottom of that triangle. Now, there's a very important area, and that's kind of why you see I've extended this ascending triangle as we found support, right? This orange bottom trend line, this new bottom trend line. So it's an extended ascending triangle, mainly because this orange line right here that you see kind of going down the screen was a very key area of support that I was curious to see if Bitcoin would hold above upon breaking through this white ascending triangle, right, the bottom. And it did in fact hold through. You can get a clear picture of it on this 4-hour chart, and then it continued uprising. Now, what is that orange line? We're zoomed in on the charts, but if you zoom out on the charts, you can just see it's this clear trend line of Bitcoin as it's kind of been forming these lower highs, right, throughout the last couple months. So the fact that we had support above that line is very important. It puts us on track to really start breaking previous lower highs, and that's what we're looking. But right now, on the short term, we've hit our target, right? And the target is around $4,100 for this ascending triangle that you see on the screen. We've hit it. We see some clear resistance right now, almost spot on. And so that's kind of what I'm tracking right now. I want to see if we can break that resistance and then make a move to the upside to really start approaching our true target, our true midterm bullish target, $4,400. That could be big. That could be that confirmed broken symmetrical triangle, that longer term symmetrical triangle you see in pink. But time will tell. One thing I did want to end with is if you kind of zoom out on the charts a little bit and we have our RSI, this momentum oscillator down here in the middle open, we can see the last time we've actually been this high on the daily charts was right around July 2018. We're not even quite there from that swing high. But one thing I want to point out to you is if you look at the charts at that time, Bitcoin really was approaching, right? Just got done breaking through the 50 EMA and approaching the 200 EMA where it actually did break above. The problem was it actually didn't stay above the 200 EMA. So as we kind of try and approach our target of $4,400, we'll see if that happens. What I'd be interested to see is if Bitcoin makes a similar move and continues up into that $5,000 area to test the 200 EMA. That could be a really good indication if you're kind of pairing that up with this momentum oscillator that you see at the bottom of the screen, whether or not Bitcoin is starting to make a shift from the bears to the bulls in this bottom range that we've been in. So that's kind of what I'm looking at on the charts. Want to just throw it out there. Let me know what you're seeing, what you're doing. Many waiting for certain confirmations to accumulate. I won't tell you where to accumulate, but this data I hope proves valuable to you in making that decision. I hope you're all having a great weekend, a great Saturday so far. Appreciate all of you coming by. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel. I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day and God bless.